If you're over 70, you've probably heard it 1,000 times. Just walk more, stay active, and keep moving. And while that advice isn't wrong, here's the hard truth the wellness industry doesn't want you to know. Walking alone isn't enough. In fact, walking may not be sufficient to preserve your strength, your balance, or your independence as you age. The body undergoes significant changes after 70, especially when it comes to muscle mass, bone density, and coordination, and walking simply doesn't address those areas. But don't worry, the solution is simpler than you think, and it doesn't require a gym membership, fancy equipment, or supplements. In this video, we'll explore 5 exercises that are scientifically proven to support strength, balance, and overall wellness as you get older. These movements are designed to activate key muscle groups, improve your coordination, and ensure that you stay strong, steady, and independent for years to come. Let's dive in and transform the way you think about aging and wellness after 70. As we age, the challenges we face in maintaining our health and independence often become more apparent. The body changes in ways that can feel overwhelming, and it's easy to fall into the mindset that age automatically means a decline in strength, balance, and vitality. However, I want to tell you today that this does not have to be your reality. In fact, after the age of 70, with the right mindset and approach, you can still achieve incredible things with your body. While walking is a fantastic form of exercise, it's often not enough on its own to preserve the strength and balance that we need as we grow older. Walking alone doesn't sufficiently target key muscles that are critical for maintaining your stability, preventing falls, and ensuring that your body remains strong and functional for years to come. Today, I'm here to share with you the truth that walking simply isn't enough when it comes to preserving your well-being after the age of 70. Instead, we need to incorporate specific exercises into our routine that will help us stay strong, stable, and independent. These exercises are simple, effective, and can be done in the comfort of your own home without the need for expensive equipment or memberships. First and foremost, it's important to understand that as we age, we begin to lose muscle mass, a condition known as sarcopenia. After 70, muscle mass starts to decline at an accelerated rate, and we lose up to 40% of the stabilizer fibers that protect us from sudden missteps. This is why falls become so much more common in older adults, even those who walk regularly. What many don't realize is that walking, while beneficial for the cardiovascular system and overall health, doesn't activate the deep stabilizer muscles that are responsible for balance and coordination. This is why walking alone doesn't provide the same benefits in preventing falls and maintaining mobility as we age. But there's good news. By incorporating specific strength and balance exercises into your routine, you can reverse some of the effects of aging on your muscles and joints, rebuild your strength, and improve your overall stability. These exercises will not only help you regain confidence in your movements, but they will also ensure that you maintain your independence as you age. Let me start by talking about one of the most effective and simplest exercises, wall push-ups. Wall push-ups are an excellent way to activate and strengthen your upper body, which tends to weaken as we age. When we think about aging, we often focus on lower body strength, but the upper body is just as important. Without adequate upper body strength, tasks such as reaching for items on high shelves, getting out of a chair, or even lifting groceries can become more difficult. Wall push-ups help re-engage the stabilizer muscles in your shoulders, arms, and wrists, improving your ability to perform these everyday tasks. To do a wall push-up, simply stand with your feet about an arm's length away from a wall. Place your palms flat against the wall at shoulder height. Slowly bend your elbows and lower your chest toward the wall. Then push yourself back up to the starting position. The key here is to perform the movement slowly and with control. Aim for about 3 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions, and as you progress, you can gradually increase the difficulty by stepping further away from the wall. The beauty of this exercise is that it engages over 30 different muscles at once, including the rotator cuffs and wrist stabilizers. These small muscles often go neglected, but they are critical for maintaining shoulder stability and strength. By incorporating wall push-ups into your routine, you'll strengthen your upper body, and reduce the risk of injury in daily activities. Another key area to focus on is the legs. As we age, it's common for our quadriceps, the muscles at the front of our thighs, to weaken. Weak quadriceps can lead to knee pain, difficulty standing up, and general instability, making it harder to move around safely. Walking alone doesn't provide enough resistance to strengthen the quadriceps, which is why specific exercises are necessary. Seated leg extensions are a great way to target these muscles and improve knee stability. To do this exercise, sit upright in a sturdy chair with your feet flat on the floor. Loop a resistance band around one ankle and secure the other end to a heavy object. Slowly extend your leg out in front of you, holding for 2 seconds at the top, and then lower your leg slowly over 3 seconds. This slow return activates stabilizer fibers and improves muscle coordination, which is critical for maintaining mobility. Aim for 3 sets of 10 to 15 repetitions per leg. Resistance bands are a great tool for this exercise because they provide constant tension throughout the entire movement, ensuring that your muscles are engaged the entire time. Studies show that resistance band training is 32% more effective than traditional weight machines for improving leg strength in seniors. By incorporating leg extensions into your routine, you'll not only reduce knee pain, but you'll also help prevent the loss of mobility that often comes with aging. Now let's talk about balance. One of the most common and dangerous consequences of aging is the loss of balance, which significantly increases the risk of falls. After 70, we begin to lose proprioception, our body's ability to sense where it is in space, which makes it harder to stay upright, especially during sudden movements. Tai Chi has long been recognized as one of the best exercises for improving balance, and modified Tai Chi is particularly beneficial for seniors. This gentle movement exercise helps to re-engage the body's proprioceptive system by training your muscles, vision, and vestibular system, the inner ear, to work together. The result is better coordination, faster reaction times, and a stronger ability to correct imbalances before they turn into falls. Tai Chi exercises such as weight shifts, heel-to-toe walking, and single-leg stands with arm circles work together to improve your overall balance. With just 15 minutes of Tai Chi practice each day, you can see dramatic improvements in your stability and coordination. In fact, studies show that Tai Chi can reduce fall risk by as much as 45%, and it has been proven to improve reaction time by 37%. This is vital for preventing falls and maintaining your independence as you age. Bone density is another area of concern for many seniors, especially after the age of 70. Osteoporosis, a condition where bones become fragile and brittle, increases the risk of fractures, particularly in the hips and spine. Heel drops are a simple yet powerful exercise that can help combat bone loss and increase bone density. When you drop your heels onto a hard surface, the mechanical shock stimulates your bones to build new calcium deposits, strengthening them over time. To perform heel drops, stand with your feet hip-width apart and rise up onto your toes. Hold for a second, then drop your heels back down onto the floor with a firm tap. The shock generated by the impact signals your osteoblasts, bone-building cells, to reinforce your bones, particularly in areas that are most susceptible to fractures. Aim for 50 heel drops per day, ideally on a hard surface, like tile or concrete. Studies have shown that heel drops can increase bone density by up to 7% in just 12 weeks, making it one of the most effective exercises for preventing osteoporosis. This exercise is simple and doesn't require any special equipment, making it easy to incorporate into your daily routine. Finally, let's talk about deep squats. Deep squats are one of the most effective exercises for preserving muscle strength and joint mobility, particularly in the lower body. They target the glutes, hamstrings, quadriceps, core muscles, and even the pelvic floor muscles. But what's even more remarkable about deep squats is that they trigger a hormonal response that supports muscle repair and bone health. A study from the University of Tokyo found that seniors who practiced deep squats daily preserved 95% of their muscle mass, while those who didn't perform squats lost 15%. To perform a deep squat, stand with your feet shoulder-width apart and lower your body as if you were sitting in a chair. The key is to go deep enough to get your hips below your knees, where the real benefits lie. Hold this position for 10 to 30 seconds, then rise slowly. For maximum benefit, aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions. You can use a sturdy surface for support, such as a chair or railing, and over time, reduce your reliance on this support as your strength improves. Deep squats help maintain mobility and prevent the loss of muscle mass, both of which are critical for maintaining independence. In conclusion, it's clear that walking alone is simply not enough to preserve the strength, balance, and independence you need as you age. But the good news is that with the right exercises, you can rebuild those lost muscles, strengthen your joints, and regain your confidence. Wall push-ups, seated leg extensions, tai chi, heel drops, and deep squats are simple yet incredibly effective exercises that can transform your physical health, improve your balance, and help you stay strong and independent for years to come. The beauty of these exercises is that they can be done at home, require no special equipment, and don't put unnecessary strain on your joints. By incorporating them into your daily routine, you're investing in your future self, a future where you can move freely, live independently, and enjoy every moment to the fullest. If you're ready to take control of your health and start building the strength and balance you need to stay independent, don't wait. Start incorporating these simple yet powerful exercises into your daily routine today. Whether it's wall push-ups, seated leg extensions, tai chi, heel drops, or deep squats, every step you take brings you closer to a stronger, healthier, and more confident future. Share this video with your friends and family, and let's spread the message of empowerment and vitality for seniors everywhere. Subscribe to the Seniors Hub for more tips, exercises, and inspiration to help you age gracefully and live life to the fullest. Remember, it's never too late to start. Your future self will thank you. Let's build strength together, one step at a time.